Hello friends. Hello friends. Can anyone hear me? Hello friends. Hello Ashvika. Hi everyone. All set with the materials? Hey, hi Kavita. Wow. Nice to see you. Who else has joined? Just ping me a hi. Okay, we'll wait for some time for people to join in. Till that time, I am just uh, telling you what all materials we need today. We need one sheet of paper. If it is little thick, it will be better because we are going to use watercolors. These are the watercolor cakes which we are using. If you don't have them, it's fine. You can use normal watercolor cakes also, or you can use even your sketch pen, pencil colors, poster colors, whatever is available with you. Then we require one pencil, eraser, black fine liner. If you don't have a black fine liner, it's fine. You can use a black ball pen, gel pen, whatever you have. Okay, and we need we need brushes and a glass of water, and what else do we need? A rough cloth to wipe our brushes, and a palette. So just gather all your art supplies, and once you are ready, just give thumbs up. We will begin. Okay, 9 people have joined. Great. Till that time, let me introduce myself. I am Anita Gupta from Creative Canvas, and Creative Canvas is basically where we conduct art and craft related workshop for all beginners. Previously we used to take in-person workshops, but now due to lockdown started with this live workshop so that the learning will not stop. I hope you guys can clearly see the sheet. Just give thumbs up if you can clearly see. I'll place it little above. See, what you can do is you can swipe the comments left or right. Right side if you don't want the comments to block your view. Okay. So everybody ready with the art supplies? I can't get thumbs up from you guys. See, the only way for me to communicate is through the comments. So just give thumbs up if you are ready with your art supplies. Okay, I hope now everybody has gathered their art supplies. So we'll begin. Let's have fun time with this art. It's abstract art, and we are going to use circles today as a pattern for our abstract art. Today I am taking circles, but Later, when you do it for yourself, you can add your own creativity, add any shape of your choice, okay, and any pattern of your choice. I'll show you today some patterns, but later you can have your own patterns also. It's up to your creativity what patterns you can create, what patterns you can imagine. There is no limit actually. Whatever comes to your mind, this is a very very abstract art, so whatever comes in your mind you can use your creativity, and this art can be applied at various places. Like you can use it for making greeting card, bookmarks, and you can use it as a file decoration, a front page of your book cover, and wherever you feel, there is no limit. Even for bottle decoration or as a normal canvas art, that is also fine. So let's begin. First we will take some blue color. You can take any color of your choice. Only thing you keep in mind right now, that try to use light colors. Okay, if you use light colors, this artwork will look more better. So even if you want to use red, what you do, mix little white with it, so that the light color white will be formed. Okay, right now I am going to use pastel blue and peach color for our art. Just restrict yourself to 2 or maximum 3 colors. Don't use more than that, okay, to give it a more pleasant look. We don't want too much harsh colors or too much bright colors. We want our art to look more I am not getting the word actually. Once I get it, I'll tell you what is the word. Happens sometime that we forget the word which we want to use. Okay, I hope you are taking your colors. I am going to mix now white with it to make it a pastel shade. See, like this you have to make little pastel shade. And I want it to be little mixed with a black color. This has given me a little grayish shade now. See, like this mixing and merging of colors is required, and it's up to our liking that what we want, which color we want. You can just experiment with the colors and check a sample on a rough paper. Can you bring rough paper, Darshan? So once we are satisfied with the colors, then we can start. See, this color is looking fine for me. I'm just checking that whether it is the way I want. This is a normal paper, so it will not look that much great. No, I need little bit more bluish color, so I'll add little more blue to it. And make enough color so that color will not be less. Although this is an abstract art, there won't come a problem even if the colors are little different if we make later. But just keep in mind that whenever you do a artwork, make a little more than required if you are mixing colors, because to form the same color it is difficult many times. Okay, I'm now happy with this color. Sorry, I got one call. It's visible, right? This paper is visible. Okay, let's begin. Let's begin with circles. Circles of random shape. We do not require a particular size. Sorry, random size. We do not require particular size. Once this dries up, it will look elegant. Can you see, guys? Okay, I'll turn this so that it's towards the comment. No, if you are watching comments, then it is little bit higher. Okay, make at any place that you like. We have to cover first with the blue color and the second pastel color. See, now I'm feeling that this is little more darker, so I'll add little more white to it. Yeah, this is nice now. Make random circles of random shape. We do not require that it has to be bigger or smaller. That's the beauty of this art, that we are free. We are not restricted to a particular shape or size. Okay, shape we are concentrating today, but size we are focusing on circles. Where is the comment? Achha, my daughter is asking that perfect circles are required or it's okay. No, it's okay. We do not need perfect circles, but at least they should look like circles. If you are using pencil colors, same thing you have to do with pencil color, poster color, whichever colors you are using. One thing you have to keep in mind, that if you are using this oil pastel or something, that time probably our this fine liners or ball pen might not work, gel pen might not work. Then go for permanent markers. Now we will take little more dark color, because we need few of lighter color and few of darker color. So I am using the previous one which I have prepared. This artwork will look more nice when we will add the patterns on top of it with our pen. Right now it might not look that much good, but the beauty of this art is once it is completed. I guess this everybody is able to follow. Nothing tough in this much steps. So till now I have not got any comments. If you are having any doubt, you can ask. You are free to ask. I am there to answer if you are facing any problem. I hope everybody is doing it with me. And now just don't leave the... one thing I forgot to tell you. See, I have added a masking tape on the edges of this page. The masking tape looks something like this. This is also called painter's tape. It's available either in stationery shops or hardware shops. Okay, why I have added? Because once this painting will complete, it will give us sharp borders of white color when we'll remove this. And that gives us a frame of white color which makes our artwork pop. So now we will add some circles to the borders also. And that will be like, we can add half circles or 3/4 circles like that. Is it visible? See, like this on the edges, because the patterns we want to show that they are in continuity. You can even make gift wrapping papers with this art. See, if you think there are n number of places where you can use this art, only you should use your imagination. There is no limit. I am giving you just the examples which I can recall right now. But later you can use it the place you wish. Okay, now I think there is enough of blue color, so I am stopping now blue color and I am going to the peach color. We'll make peach color. If you don't have peach color, what you can do is take some orange and mix white with it. Hope you guys are doing along with me. Don't just watch. It's very easy art. You can easily do it. I have taken this orange. Now I'll add white to it. Just keep wiping your brush with the rough cloth. Okay. It's fun even to make the colors. I find making colors also so therapeutic. See, we have got our peach color. Let's add them. Same way as we have added blue, now we will add this peach color circles. Make some smaller and make some bigger circles. We don't need a particular size. See, when we are adding the second color, now the painting is looking better, and once we add the liners to it, then the real beauty will come. Which colors you are using? I mean pencil color, poster color, what you are using, just mention in the comments if you are facing any problem with those colors, because I cannot know. I am using watercolors, so I know if I am facing any problem with the watercolor, but I will not know if you are facing any problem with other colors. Right now though we have done just circles. Maybe while doing the pen work you may face some problem. Everybody is doing right. This is what we have to do as a base. Now I am adding little more white to it to make little more lighter color circles. Wherever the empty places are available, just add circles to that place. Okay. We want all these places to be covered. Only some white negative space should be white. You know what is this white space called in terms of art? It's called negative space. So we want that we should cover maximum place and negative place should be very less. Either you guys are following or not following completely. I cannot see any comments. Just post thumbs up if you are able to follow. Seriously, if I take online, you have to comment. Otherwise, I won't know anything what's happening on the other side. In person, I can see you what you are doing, but while taking this way, I cannot see what you all guys are doing, and I cannot even correct you if you are making any mistake. The only way is, if you are having any doubts, you can put in the comments and I can help you resolve it. See, like this, all different shades of same color we are using. Only I have stick to two colors. One is this peach color and one is blue color, but with the variation in their tones. Same color, different tones I am using. Light, dark, like that combination. This time I have made peach less, so it ran out. So we have to keep in mind that we make enough color. Right now, as we are using different tones, it's fine. But in any art where we require the same tone, it's very difficult to get the same color. Okay, now we are almost covering all the negative spaces. I am adding some smaller circles wherever I can see a negative space. And even if this art is patchy now, it gives a very nice effect. Here we don't need it to be very neat. That's the best part of this abstract art and these patterns, that it's for all beginners. We can use it for learning, for getting our brush control, for learning mixing of colors. This is like a basic where we learn the basics of our artwork. Okay, so now I am happy with the amount of circles on my page, so I will stop here. How are you guys doing? Have you completed or you are lacking behind? Just let me know. If you are lacking behind, I'll wait for some time for you guys to complete. Or else, if nobody is lacking behind and everybody is with the same pace, we can carry on. Okay, so I'm happy with this many circles of our pastel and blue color. Let's just wait for them to dry. Once they dry, we'll use our liners and do pattern, or you can use a black pen. Okay, any of which is available with you. If you don't have any of this, you can use a black sketch pen also, or marker, or if none of them is available, use a pencil. Lockdown has taught us to work with whatever we have. Just give me a thumbs up, guys. I cannot know whether you are able to complete it or not. Okay, so you guys are done. Let's move forward. In this circles, blue circles I'll cover first because they are more dry. Okay, let me start with the first pattern. And these patterns are very therapeutic because there are no rules. Okay, we'll start with the first one. See, if your artwork is not dry, na, don't touch it, okay? Keep your pen like this, top, or start it from the corner, otherwise the circles will spoil. I started from the corner and show you the patterns. See, first I am marking with the pencil very lightly one circle, okay? This why you are doing, so that we get our pattern inside a circle only, and it doesn't has to be exactly on top of our art, but little bit outside. We don't want to cover that color only, we want a pattern to be little bit outside also. So first we will make lines like this. Should I zoom in? You are able to view. Okay. So like this, lines where you have drawn the pencil. Make the pencil mark very light, okay? It doesn't has to be harsh because it will be visible, otherwise we cannot rub it. So like this, you have to cover your circle shape, and these are the few patterns which I am showing you, okay? You can create anything that comes to your mind, and if you observe in and around us also, at any place you will be able to find lots of patterns. When you visit a shopping mall, or when you see any hoarding, or even in newspapers or something, we just need to observe things. If we observe now, there are lots of pattern around us only. Okay, this one is one pattern, okay? Easy. I have made 1, 2 and 3 circles with dash, okay? Now again we will make a circle and make another pattern. This time also same only, we don't want it to cover the full color wala circle, but little bit going outside, okay? And very lightly you have to do, very lightly, okay? Now I am making some plus signs. This everyone knows, right? How to make a plus sign. Our basic maths. Plus, minus. So these are the minuses and these are the pluses. I am bringing maths and arts. So like this random plus you have to create in your artwork. And see, maths also has patterns. Maths is also helping us make patterns. So it's not that we can get patterns only from the places I told you. You can get it even from your books. Anywhere you can get your ideas from anywhere, but you have to keep your mind open and observe. So one more pattern. See, it has already started looking pretty. Now again I'll make one more circle. Okay, this is a circular shape. I'm not making a circle. See what you have to do. Everybody see here, huh? This is like very nice shape. We will make spiral, like this random spiral. Let them come the way it wishes to come. No need that it has to be perfect circle. Can you see how it is looking? Like a rose. So easily we made one pattern with simple spirals. Okay, now we'll move to the next pattern. I'll take this circle and add again same way a circle which is not covering the full color wala circle. I'll add some bricks types of shape. You know, bricks, very random pebbles. Sorry, not bricks, it is pebbles. Okay, I got the word which I was talking in my previous talk. Subtle. The word is subtle. Our painting should look subtle. So we add pastel colors to it. Mind keeps working. And when we want the word, it will not come. See, like this, any random shape, bricks type we are making. So no need to take tension that we want a proper this shape or proper that shape. The beauty is this only, that it is abstract. We do not require any perfection here. But it looks very beautiful once it's completed. Don't forget to share your picture with me, okay? And do make even more things with it, like bookmark, greeting card, and your file decorations, cover page. In the projects you can use this. Hope you are enjoying this. It's fun, right? No stress that it has to be perfect this way, it has to be perfect that way. Okay, this pattern is also done. Following, guys? Give me a thumbs up. I can't know what you are doing. You're following or not following. No thumbs up means you are not following, is it? Oh, okay. So either you are following it completely or not following at all. Because I am not getting any response. I am waiting for your thumbs up. Okay, we'll move to the next pattern now, and we'll make a floral type of shape. Take the center. Okay, we'll cover this time this full circle. This time we'll not make it offside. We'll cover this only. Like this curve shape you have to make from the center of the circle. See, this is one more pattern. Now we'll move to the next pattern. That is simple V's we will make. Okay, let's mark a offset circle very lightly and make some V's. Why we are making these circles? So that what pattern we have selected, our theme as circle, we can stick to it. See, if your this marker is not working now, what you can this pen is not working, then you can use your marker. That will work, especially on poster colors, oil pastels. It's difficult for this fine liners to work. This micron pens work easily on watercolors. Micron pens are very this sensitive, so you should not press their tip too much. If you'll press their tip harsh now, they will have very short life. You have to use them with very light pressure. So this one more pattern is ready. Okay, so already our painting is starting to fill with patterns. Let's make some more. We'll do some dots now. Okay, let's mark a circle like this. I am covering this time 2 circles. That way also you can do, and just make some dots. Okay, this I'm using this black color ka my gel pen now, because this is better for making dots. This is simple, very simple, some random dots, but ultimately it will look very nice. See, with dot also you can make various this variations. You can add small dots, you can add bigger dots, you can mix match smaller and bigger dots. So you have to just use your creativity. Now this is also done. Simple, right? Can you show me all the patterns? They are not visible. Okay, you want to see all the patterns? You want me to wait? Oh, sorry, I missed the comment. I'll show you all the patterns and wait for some time, okay? And if you have any doubt on any pattern, just let me know. I hope you can see now all the patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 we have done till now. Aren't they looking pretty? Hi Zena. Hi Zayan. Hey, hi Jyoti. Hi Krisha. Jyoti is my one more friend. Hi Rashi. Okay, I know here few of them because either they are my friends or they are my students. Hi Jonathan. Hi Aarti. Hi Zinal. So once you are done, just give thumbs up, okay? These are easy patterns, very easy, right? Okay, I am repeating these patterns only because later on you can repeat the same pattern and till the time you complete it. So I'll fill one or two circles by the time you complete this much. Then we'll move forward in 2 minutes, okay? And even if you are not able to complete with my pace, no problem. Once you learn them, then you can apply it yourself also. You don't need my help at that time. Okay guys, I hope you are done till now. Now I am moving to next pattern. Okay, one more idea I have got right now. Apart from patterns, now what you can do is you can write some not codes, words. Like suppose if we think, if we take a theme like happiness, then we will write whatever things that come in mind related to happiness. So what all comes? Joy. So I'll make a circle which will say joy. Okay, so like this you can add some text also. Joy. Then what else we can think related to happiness? Ice cream? No, that will come in some food related stuff. Can you tell? Can anybody help me? What we can relate to happiness? Smile. Okay, so let's write smile.
सब सर्कल्स में फिल करना है क्या?
No, we do not need to fill all circles. Let few be empty. Okay, so this is smile. Like this, when you use in your this projects or something, now you can write anything related to the project you are making. If you are making any project related to science, then all the words related to that topic you can add in the circles. And if you are making anything related to any particular theme, use the words related to that theme. So joy, smile, or what else I can think? Beauty. Beauty is related with joy, so let me write beauty. Okay, and with beauty we can add some bow also. Like this, you can use any of your imaginations. Whatever comes to your mind, you can do that. So I have added this 1, 2, 3, and one more that I like, that is very related to happiness, is love. Without love, we all are incomplete. We find without love there is emptiness. So love is very important for us to be happy. And here you can make a heart shape. Okay, so this way also you can do. I told you, right? It's all about imagination. So like this text also you can add. Now let's move to patterns. Okay, make a circle. See, you have to cover all the places like this, so that see, if you, it should not be like one corner is fully empty circles and one corner is fully filled ones, or one place fully text thing and other place it's empty. You have to just balance it. Okay, everywhere it has to be a mix match, text plus patterns plus empty circles. So the another pattern is make circle, one more circle, and one more circle. What does this remind us? Orbits of the galaxy. So we'll add some planets to it, which are rotating on their axis around the sun. So this is another pattern. You can add anywhere on this circle your this planets type of circles which represent planets. Okay, so one more pattern is ready. Easy, right? Oh wow, you have mentioned so many words. Sorry, I can't see the comments. I just got up to see the comments. Love, elated, glad, cheerful, jovial, excited, grateful, peace, jolly. I like that grateful. I'll add grateful, okay? I'm grateful to you guys for attending today's workshop. Seriously, without you, it would have not been possible. Gratitude, G-R-A. No, sorry, grateful we thought, na? Grateful, okay, grateful. So, here comes one more, grateful. Now, happiness is learning new things with creative canvas. Oh, thank you. Yeah, be creative, na? Haan. Creativity is also related with happiness. So now let's move to more patterns. There are n number of patterns, guys, and you can even add your own patterns, whatever you feel like adding. No limitation. So like this one offset circle I have made, and just adding lines. I am excited to see which all color combination you have used, which all two colors you have taken. I am sure Ashvika must have taken pink. One of her color would be pink. And few more girls, I guess, because it's like favorite. And blue for boys. Hopefully they might have added a blue. Ouch. I missed the shape. Okay, so I have done it. Okay, so this is one more pattern. Let's move to another pattern, that is see, as we have added love, shove and all things, now I'll add some hearts. Okay, so it should show the words that we have written. It should match with our theme, and anything related to that this words, now whatever patterns that come in your mind, you can add them. Okay, so our theme is circles plus happiness. Two of the things we have stuck. Happiness for writing the text, and circles for creating the background. It's fun, right, to make this art? You won't feel boring even if you do it as a project activity. Otherwise, usually people will be like, oh god, we have to do a project, we have to design a cover page. Again, we have to think a lot. But this will be ready with you, which gives you the liberty to make it according to your convenience, your creativity. Lots of love from my side to you, okay? And I miss you all, okay? I miss you all. It's fun. It's fun to teach you guys. I'm missing the sounds, I'm missing the sounds of kids around me. How they used to call me ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. Hope things get back to normal soon. Let's pray. And we are back to our normal routine. Okay, so this one is also done. Okay, can we save this video on your page? I'll save this video on my YouTube channel and it will be available for a few days on my page. I have used Ashvika, you have used the same color like me. Oh, you didn't go for pink? That's surprising. Okay, now let's do one more pattern where we have a space. Let's check. This place is empty, so I'll add here. And it's a very simple pattern. Like this. Go and do some zigzag lines. Happy? Ready with one more pattern. So easy, right? Anything and everything that comes to your mind. Where else I can see space? I'm just searching. Okay, let's do one of the corner this border circles. I'm adding one pattern here. Can you see? Yeah. I'm taking this as a center, like this fireworks type of effect. Happiness is sometimes seeing the fireworks, colorful fireworks in the sky. Okay, so one more is done. Where else I can see place. Small circle I'll take. Any of the small circle I'll take now. So small circle. Let's take this one and add a simple, very simple pattern. I'll mark one offset circle. This is just adding circle inside this circle, but they are smaller in size. I'm enjoying it. Hope you guys are also. Oh, hi Sapna. Nice to see you. Okay, almost the page is getting filled. I'm just searching for space to add more patterns. Okay, let's take this circle. Visible, right? And just don't stick to the patterns that I'm showing you. Use your own creativity, add your own patterns. And now I think I'm happy with the patterns and text and everything. I'm just adding little bit more patterns to the negative space, and those are also very easy. Just see, huh? Like this, spirals. They will just add to the beauty of this art. Simple, small spirals, giving joy, happiness to our art. Why I'm adding spirals? Because they are also like related to circle shape and happiness also. So whenever you create it next time, just keep 2-3 things in mind and stick to that theme and create your patterns. Use circles, use triangles, use rectangles. Stick to rectangles, stick to triangles, or make a mix and match version of two shapes. Make hearts. So the creativity is up to you. Ta-da! We are ready. Only one important thing is remaining, is now peeling off the tape, which I enjoy a lot. You have to be very careful while removing it. Happiness is removing this tape. Because it marks that now our painting has ended, and I feel it so satisfying to remove this tape. See, we did not had much inside it, so not too much of it is making difference. Otherwise, if it is a filled painting now, like fully colored one, this borders would have looked more elegant. I'll post a picture of this finished artwork on my page, even in my WhatsApp group. You can refer it both the places. And now just rub whatever circles that we have created very lightly. And just don't forget to share your artwork with me, okay? It will be very good feeling for me that someone has learned even through online workshop, and that I'll come to know only if you share your work that you have really learned. And now I'm coming up with your favorite, many of you are demanding canvas painting workshop soon on my page. Okay, so here is the final work, you can see. And one more thing, let's sign our work. Let's sign our artwork. We should own our artwork and let others know that's done by us. And let's say, I don't usually add date, but as these are like lockdown memories for me, lockdown workshop memories for me, so I'll add a date. Today is 7/6/20. Oh god, 2020. Not a very good year to remember. But it has taught us other things also, like taking these online workshops. So every negative thing has a positive side too. When is the next class? Okay, I'll let you know. You can take a screenshot or I'll post this picture on my page. Thank you guys for joining in. Hope it was fun. Okay, who all are there? Let's check. Hi. Sapna, Jyoti, Ashwika. Who else? Hope you guys enjoyed today's workshop. Was it fun? Happiness. Happiness for me is creating art. Anytime. Chalo then, see you. Okay, bye bye. Don't forget to share your pics. Okay, and keep an eye on my page for future updates on upcoming workshops. Bye. See you.